Today I brought Holly, my beautiful significant other, and today we're cooking
no flip trout.
Hi, Chris Weitzel here at 1300 Seagrave, Unit 4. I brought the other half today, my beautiful wife Holly. Say hello, Holly.
Hello. It's a gorgeous day today.
And today we're going to be cooking the no-flip trout, which Holly loves, just because a lot of the questions that we do get, can we grill our seafood? Yes, we can. Is it hard? No, it's not. We're going to show you how today.
So I might get a lot of slack for this because I am more team trout than I am more team salmon. So I really love the flavor of trout. It's high in omega-3s, omega-6s, as well as it has vitamin A, D, and selenium. It's really good for you. So I just love a buttery texture. All right, so what we're gonna add first to start this, we're gonna make a paste on top of it, and it's gonna make a really nice crust. So I'm gonna first add a dark brown sugar, and the dark brown sugar, I add about half a cup, and it has nice molasses taste to that too. So the dark is nicer than the light, I find. Then, very simply, I'm just gonna add a quarter tablespoon. What am I talking about? 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
A bit of mustard.
Of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. All right, so tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then we're gonna add some green garlic. So we just harvest this, and I just grated it up with a microplane and put in there 1 clove. So just gonna pop in there 1 clove. You don't have to use green garlic, but fresh garlic is best. And then about a 1/4 teaspoon of dried chilies. Now you can add as much as you want. This recipe will actually make 2 fillets of trout. We're gonna put the paste on it. We're just gonna do 1 today, but it will do 2 fillets of trout. And I know I can eat a fillet of trout, and each fillet roughly weighs about 3/4 pound. And Chris is gonna talk about where we get our trout from while I mix this up.
Yeah, so this trout comes from Coleman Row Farms. Now, they're pens, because this is a farm-raised product. They are up in Manitoulin Island, so if you're looking for a local fish, other than perch or pickerel from Lake Erie, here you go. Manitoulin Island, and they're based out of then, where the process is in St. Thomas. So, and we get that through our supplier, Cottle's Catch. Like I said, previous videos, 60 Otonabee Drive. So if you're in the area, go check them out. Where are we at?
Okay, so it comes together really easily. So at first you're thinking it might not be enough liquid, but after you mix in the Dijon, it comes together really nicely. So to make it, we don't want to let this sit too long, because what ends up happening is the sugars start to melt on top of the trout, and we're just going to put it right on the grill and paste it right on the grill. So Dijon is also very salty, so you won't need any salt. And then you have the chilies instead of pepper, so which is nice.
And we're gonna go ahead and oil our grill, which you have to do, whether you're flipping, because that's a hot grill. I make sure there's lots on it. Give that a second. And that's it. That's hot. So skin side down. There we go, honey.
So I'm just gonna kind of rub this on with my spoon. And it is gonna cause some flare-ups, but it's so good. And it creates a really nice crispy crust. Now, the skin is edible. It's actually really good for you. Some people don't like the skin. The fish will come clean away from the skin, and if you have a dog or a cat, they will also love that as a treat. You see, and this is a double batch, so there's lots left over to do another fillet of trout.
So again, we got this on high. We're gonna cook it about between 400 and 500 degrees, so that'll take about 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's check this trout out.
Ooh, look at that crust. It's all bubbly. It's almost like caramelized on top. So yummy. So Chris is gonna take it off the grill, and we're gonna plate it up for you. So this would go really nicely with the seafood stuffed pepper that we sell here at Chris Produce and Seafood. We also, if you wanted to do a nice tossed salad or some rice, this would go great with that. I'm just gonna kind of come over here, place that there right on top of it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put in some fresh chopped spring onions.
I just wanted everybody to notice how easy that actually came off the grill. No moving, no nothing. We oiled the grill, 400 plus degrees, laid it on the grill, didn't touch it until I just took it off. It takes a little bit. Some of the dark parts there, that's just flavor. Some people call it Cajun, I call it flavor. But that's it, easy.
And if you don't like the skin, like I said, it is the best part. But if you don't like the skin, you can just the meat will come clean away from the skin when you take your fork to it. Okay. All right, so let's try this out. Get in there.
Oh, look how that comes right off the skin.
It's got that like sweet heat. It's really quite delicious. Super tender, buttery.
Hot.
Yeah. It just came off the barbecue. But for those of you who are team salmon, I would say that this trout dish, it just kicks its butt. Honestly, I'm pro trout, so I would say this has got salmon beat.
So you heard it from Holly first. Take that, team salmon. Team trout's got it beat. Anyways, we're at 1300 Seagrave. We got my wife Holly. I'm Chris, and we're here to make your meals hook, line, and simple. Thanks a lot.